You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Omowunmi Ajiboye, a Nollywood actress, publicly thanked God for saving her son, Segun Ogungbe, from the Abeokuta tanker explosion that took place this morning. Omowunmi posted on Instagram on Tuesday a video of the tanker incident and a photo of actor Ayobami Daniel. She said that Ayobami's car was burned by the fire.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.